Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Hacoo and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and then you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.